Well, good morning, Saturday. Sturgis, 2023. Woo, sun is pretty. Clear skies. And look at this. It's almost bare. That's just from what left yesterday today. I think just about all of us is going to be gone. I think Dirty Dog's going to stay, and ZZ, they're staying another day. And Augie's taking off. He's going do some more adventure. He's got another week, I guess, or 3 to 4 days. He's going to go adventure stuff, go different roads. I don't know where all he's going, but he's got a whole list of things he's going to do. So that'll be awesome.
Because of a cold again.
Yeah, I found the sticker bandit last night.
Did they?
Huh?
Sticker bandit hit my bike.
Ready?
It's a sticker ferry.
Did you find it? Where's it at? I want to see what it is.
Sticker ferry.
You put it where you can see it. JP Cycles?
Well, it's J&P. It's called National Motorcycle Music.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but J&P Cycles won it. The guy that started J&P Cycles. He's the one who put it together. After he sold the business,
Yeah.
and then he worked for him for like 10 years after he sold the business.
My girlfriend lives in Pagosa Springs, Colorado.
Yeah,
So
he's
that's
one of
like
the dirty
where
rotten
you get
rats.
Durango. And everybody
Getting a
else
new
in
bike?
Pagosa Springs Facebook.
Keeping this one. He's going to tear this apart and redo some painting on it and stuff, but he's getting him a new Road King, brand new. Not no used one, brand new. For next year. But he's ready to crawl through his leg over there and get out of there. And I love these guys. Oh.
There he goes.
One going east, one going west.
You like my voice for it?
That's right.
Safe travels, my friend. As you just heard Vickie say in the background, this is the hard part. These people become like family. Right now, that's the only reason I'm going back to Sturgis every year. I mean, yeah, there's a lot to see. We showed you a lot of it. But just the friendship you get from these guys or any guys that you meet out there every year is just awesome. They all made it home safe. That's good. Everybody's home now. So, let's see. I guess it's my turn to leave, isn't it? Well, we're pulling out. I hope. You put the brake on?
Hopefully we can pull out.
Yeah, did you pull the brake? Oh, yeah, you did. There, we can pull it out. Man, what a great time we had with everybody, didn't we?
Oh man, it was a blast.
Everybody, some people are leaving. Some are staying another day. We got to go down and dump our tank. And gonna go about 400 miles today, I think. A little rough down through here.
Whoa, no kidding.
Man, it's always sad leaving all our friends.
Very sad.
Yeah. Well, we got our tanks dumped, and now we're hitting the road finally. Next stop, the gas station, but we got probably 100 miles we can go to get that, and that's what we're going to do. But this is Hog Heaven, entrance and exit. Yeah, we could have stayed another day, I guess, but I'm ready to go home. We've done it. That's what it looks like, guys, when it ain't raining. We came in, it was raining. Well, we're going to call this one right here. This is the end of our Sturgis adventure. Oh, what a great one we had, as always. Thanks for checking out our videos and watching them, and subscribing and visiting with us. See y'all later. Have a good day. Ow! If you ever wondered about these guys that I ride with, I'm going to put a video on here in about 48 hours. I'm going to describe each one of these fellows, how I met them, where I met them, and I think you'll enjoy that one. What a great time we had. Sturgis 2023.